So the Beta Xtrainer 2025 300, it's looking really beautiful. So the bike is totally brand new, 0 hours, 0 everything. The bike isn't not started yet, so I need to prepare it for the first start. So yeah, it had turn signals, mirrors. Also on the back you can see tail light for the also tail number. Everything I need to remove and install back normal plastic, a different exhaust pipe which is open. So now this is closed for homologation only. So yeah, skid plate protection of the frame. Yeah, protection on the handlebar, exhaust mounting, yeah, something flasher, not important. And this is the mapping switch. It's going on the handlebar, so sunny map, rainy map. It makes really big difference on betas. Air filter which is open. So now we have a full closed air filter. Stickers for the wheels. Yeah, I'm not going to touch it. I'm going to give it to the customer, so he can choose if he's going to keep the nice looking black rims or with the stickers. So the bike is really beautiful, amazing bike. And if you ask me, compared to the RR model, this is one smaller. So, but when you look handlebar, dashboard, controls, everything looks almost same. Engine is totally same. Yeah, you see it's brand new. It's so amazing feeling when you touch a brand new bike. So, but after 1-2 rides, it's going to be already used. So the silencer is smaller, wheels. And yeah, it's interesting, the Xtrainer is coming with Beta tires. So yeah, not bad tire for the start. 300 Xtrainer. To open the seat, just press the button, leave the seat. Amazing, simple. So before first start, I need to remove this homologation stuff, what is yeah, almost useless in Bosnia. Then I need to reject the carb, because now it's closed engine with less power. Also I need to change the air filter inside. So yeah, I'm going to install the pipe, put a little bit of the fuel inside, oil also in the oil tank, because this has oil pump for the lubrication of the piston cylinder. Yeah, install the battery and let's start the bike. Also, by the way, what is really nice from Beta, they made this book with so simple installation tutorial. So how to open the bike from the closed one. So see you later. So the most times when you do just jetting, you unscrew this bolt, drain bolt. But in this case, I needed to open the carb because I needed to change the small starting jet. So yeah, also I removed the top, so it's possible to rotate the carb. Also here I need to change to different needle. So everything is inside the book and you get different jetting and different needle. So this is the oil pump and this is the oil tank. To fill the oil tank, you need to leave the seat. It's super easy. Press button and the seat is off. So now this is the open air filter like normal. It's pre-lubed with oil, so easy to install, unpack, put it, and it's finished. Also, what is cool, like on the KTMs, it's super easy to change the filter nozzle. So change the filter, 5-minute job, maybe less. So that's it. And for Beta, you are getting the best lithium battery what you can buy. So it's super small and it's super strong for this bike. So let's install the battery. So almost everything is finished. So now the bike is ready for the first start. So let's try it. Oh yeah. So I need to pull the choke on. Okay. So again. Oh yeah, the bike is running. Let's go out with the bike. So yeah, the bike is ready now. So headlight is on. Remove the turn signals, back plate for the number plate. Yeah, bigger one. New pipe, check the fluids, gearbox, radiators. Yeah, install the protection on the frame. So I didn't install the protection of the handlebar because the owner needs to adjust the handlebar for the position what he likes. Fill it with the 2-stroke oil, the tank, battery. Now, yeah, the carb is finished jetting. So I'm going to start the bike, check the tire pressure and make few test rides.